Hey guys, Lex over here. And the number one question you guys are always asking me is, how do you find houses like this to wholesale? Well, if you're driving along this street and you see this sign over here and you see that sign in the window, it's pretty self-evident that this is a Hubzu property. You can go to hubzu.com and bid on these properties, all right? So let's go take a look and see what the inside looks like. Okay, so we're inside the property, and the first thing you're going to notice in these properties is that they're vacant, they have no power, it's hot in here, we're in Florida, right? So it's warm inside, and you definitely do not want to be looking at REOs at night. This property is beat up. Homeowner didn't pay their mortgage, went into foreclosure, went back to the bank, and the bank has a website called hubzu.com that they use to liquidate these properties, right? So it's very easy to go out there and register and start bidding on these properties. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I want to keep showing you little tips on how you can make money in real estate. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.